India versus Australia 2024-25 Test full and final squad. India full and final squad.
Number 1 Abhimanyu Ishran, batsman. Number 2 Rohit Sharma, batsman. Number 3 Virat Kohli, batsman. Number 4 Yashasvi Jaiswal, batsman. Number 5 Shubman Gill, batsman. Number 6 Sarfraz Khan, batsman. Number 7 Nitish Reddy, all-rounder. Number 8 Washington Sundar, all-rounder. Number 9 Ravichandran Ashwin, all-rounder. Number 10 Ravindra Jadeja, all-rounder. Number 11 KL Rahul, wicket-keeper. Number 12 Rishabh Pant, wicket-keeper. Number 13 Dhruv Jurel, wicket-keeper. Number 14 Jasprit Bumrah, bowler. Number 15 Akashdeep, bowler. Number 16 Mohammad Siraj, bowler. Number 17 Prasidh Krishna, bowler. Number 18 Harshit Rana, bowler. Australia full and final squad. Number 1 Travis Head, batsman. Number 2 Marnus Labuschagne, batsman. Number 3 Steven Smith, batsman. Number 4 Usman Khawaja, batsman. Number 5 Mitchell Marsh, all-rounder. Number 6 Nathan McSweeney, all-rounder. Number 7 Alex Carey, wicket-keeper. Number 8 Josh English, wicket-keeper. Number 9 Pat Cummins, bowler. Number 10 Scott Bond, bowler. Number 11 Nathan Lyon, bowler. Number 12 Mitchell Starc, bowler. Number 13 Josh Howard, bowler. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.